Welcome to Samsung's virtual first look event. Samsung TVs going green.
Eco-packaging goes beyond recycling to upcycling. Eco-packaging will expand to other products in our lineup. Game-changing solar cell remote control.
At Samsung, we seek to provide them with the same level of viewing experience as all our consumers. Have you won the 2021 CES Best Innovation Award as a front-runner in AI technology.
The Neo QLED has evolved right alongside your habits.
It all depends on the revolutionary quantum matrix technology, which begins with the Quantum Mini LED. The slim and sleek Infinity One design, Neo Quantum processor enjoys superior picture quality whenever and whatever you watch.
Truly unique collection of products for those of you who want something a little out of the ordinary, giving you the freedom to expand your world.
These LEDs are microscopic. Micro-LEDs are self-emitting, coloured light sources.
Samsung micro-LEDs boast the advantage of longevity for 100,000 hours.
It looks like a single unit. It's actually made many modules. Micro-LED screens will open up endless possibilities.
Screens everywhere, screens for all. We hope our products can inspire you. Thank you.